Hello friends, welcome to Yàrá Ìkàwé Kids TV. I am Toriola, the Yoruba Moonlight. On this channel, I will be taking you on an adventure to the world of Yoruba heritage. Do you want to learn Yoruba language, explore the culture and have a fun time with me? Then be my companion and let's fly to the moon. Subscribe to Yàrá Ìkàwé Kids TV. Turn on the notification bells and let's mount the Yoruba pyramid. Let me introduce my robot to you. Her name is Odidere. She will be our assistant in learning everything about Yoruba. Are you ready? It's time to reach for the stars in the sky. Ọmọ Yorùbá o, wá kí a gbé àṣà wa lárugẹ lórí Yàrá Ìkàwé Kids TV. Odidere o.
Oh,
What is the Yoruba word for goodbye?
ó dàbọ̀.
Okay, and the Yoruba word for my friend?
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Thanks, Odidere. My robot assistant has just taught us how to say goodbye, my friend in Yoruba. I will see you soon. Toriola, your Yoruba Moonlight on Yàrá Ìkàwé Kids TV. Ó dàbọ̀, ọ̀rẹ́ mi.